Today we're going to be planting hardneck garlic. Now, hardneck garlic is planted in the fall and we'll harvest it next summer, I guess. There's also softneck garlic, but that's planted in the spring and it's more suitable for warmer climates. So up here in Canada, where we're zone 3, oh, there's the wind, we plant the hardneck garlic. Now, one of the things with garlic, like so many other garden vegetables, is there's many different varieties. Some of them will mature sooner in the summer and some of them will take all the way till later in the summer next year to harvest. This year we're planting a few varieties. This is just what I'm calling our garlic because I can't remember what I planted last year, but we had a really good crop this year. So I'm used to buying garlic like this in the grocery store. Now, so this is a garlic bulb, and if you break it apart, these are the cloves. What we're going to be planting is the clove. Now, a trick with garlic is basically the size of the clove is going to dictate the size of your bulb next year. So this little guy would probably have a smaller bulb, whereas this big guy is going to produce bigger bulbs. So what we're doing right now is we are separating all of the garlic we grew. I'm keeping all of the bigger bulbs for planting, and then we're just going to eat the smaller bulbs. Yeah.
Mommy,
what?
When I was pulling them apart, I found these four. They all have open spaces.
Then we probably will just eat those.
Okay. Put them.
Do you want to help break her? Yep. Don't peel the paper off, but just break this apart into all the different
you don't want to
cloves. We just want to garlic cloves, not bulbs.
Because that's bad. They will rot.
Now I purchased a couple other different types of garlic to try. These ones are what's called a music garlic, and they are going to be flowering in the summer. And then these ones are just what's called a regular garlic, and they will be flowering later in the summer. I'm actually going to mark them this year so I remember what's what. There's also something like this. This is one clove, and this is what's called elephant garlic. Now, technically, these are actually cousins to garlic. It's not a true garlic. They are a member of the leek family. But I'm going to try to grow these the same thing. We plant them in the fall. They just have a milder flavor.
So we have giant garlics and we'll be planting them. Yes. And let's get started.
Okay, so how deep should we plant garlic?
2 inches or 3?
You know what? It's about that. So we're just going to dig a trench,
It's like a potato.
and then we can just
It's like a potato.
plant them all in and bury them after.
Right, it's like a potato one. Place it now?
Yeah, you can start planting now. How far apart are we going to plant?
About like this far?
Some people, you know what? I would probably let's go about 4 inches. So let's put it right here. Okay? Yeah, perfect. And we're going to go all the way down the trench.
So you make the tiny hole so I can place them.
Okay, and I'm going to keep digging this trench.
Where do I place them?
In the hole.
Okay, I know.
Here, Riker, let me dig you another trench.
Okay, I want that
Okay.
trench. So sorry, let's do my face.
Maybe we'll just do 2.
And Mommy, look, I'm putting that up.
Yes, that's right. That's another good point that I didn't mention. When you're planting them,
Point them up.
you want this is where the roots are going to go. So that goes down and the pointy end goes up.
So Mommy, make quick.
Just 1 sec, buddy. You got to move. I'm not done doing the trench.
You
Okay.
have to get the full one.
Yeah, so you have to go behind me. If you guys see things like this, pull them out of there, okay?
Why?
Because that's just going to grow weeds next year.
And you don't want.
Okay, come on this side of me, sweets. Yeah.
Make tiny holes.
You make the tiny holes in the trench, okay?
But I want like how?
You got it.
Here.
It's not rocket science. If it's a little bit deeper or a little bit shallower, it's okay. It'll all be okay.
So this is my.
Where's the next one go?
I did it good on your side.
Very nice job, buddy.
I think I'm gonna look on the side. Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have our trench dug here, and then we're gonna take these. I like to just kind of make my little spot, put the garlic in, and then just push it in and set it there. And then all we have to do is go over the row and bury it all up.
If you can't, like you don't want to like place them, forget. Just like tap it and place, and then place the next one. Like when you do that,
There
just,
you
like,
go.
Tap it.
Just tap it so you know the pattern,
Yeah.
the distance. Good job. There you go, buddy. That's a nice trench.
I tried fixing it.
Oh no, it looks great. Let's plant the rest of this garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a...
Now, whether to water it, if you have really dry soil and it's not going to be raining or snowing anytime soon, go ahead and water it. But if you know that you have lots of rain and snow coming, you don't need to water it. One thing I forgot to mention is when to plant your garlic. So you're going to want to plant it basically anytime between September and November. You do not want it to start growing too much before the winter. So after a couple of light frosts, all the way up until your ground freezes is when you can plant your garlic. We're going to go get some straw so we can mulch the garlic.
What? Mulch?
Mulch.
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 What do you do? How do you do that?
Mulching means putting stuff on top of the soil.
Oh.
Yeah. Want to come with us?
Yay.
You can use whatever you have for mulch. Straw, grass clippings, leaves. Dried leaves are a really good form of mulch. Just be careful when using wood chips because they can steal nitrogen from the soil. We have this big bale of straw here. We have for the animals and garden mulch. We're just going to get a wheelbarrow full so we can go and mulch the garlic.
Yeah.
The pigs, sorry for the noise. The pigs think anytime somebody comes around, it's time to eat.
Yay! I'm in it now.
Okay, here, Riker, you push. Let's see if you can push. Too hard? How about, Riker, you get in beside your sister and I'll push you guys.
No, I try. Riker, no.
Okay?
No,
Good try. It's okay.
Good
Here,
try, yeah.
you climb in beside your sister.
I'm going to eat it. Yay!
Riker, is that how we should do it?
Yeah, we just move it.
Let's not do it like that, okay?
Okay, I'll just grab more. Okay.
Yeah, and let's put it down properly like Scarlet. Because if it's really windy, it's all just going to blow away.
Help, Scarlet? I don't know how to
Just start putting it down. Put it down, straight down.
Yep,
Yep,
drop
good
it.
job. Drop it. And then Scarlet can spread it out.
Oh, so I make the delivery.
Sure. Again, depending on how deep you buried your garlic and how much mulch you put on, pretty this much wanting to protect it for the winter. We didn't bury ours super deep. We'll put a little bit of mulch on. If it's really windy and you're using straw, it might blow away. So we might have to add a little bit more here before everything freezes up. But this will protect it for now. There's our garlic planting for 2022-23, since that's when we'll be harvesting it. Whoa. It's windy.
Oh my God, wow, okay.
It's okay. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.